Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can save $1,000 by doing your own tape and extensions at home. This is my hair. It looks longer than it actually is. I would say it's above my waist and on the finer side. But density wise, I have a lot of it, which makes me the perfect candidate for tape and extensions. I'm using two different shades, which as you can see, it's a rooted light brown and a warm highlighted tone. I have 2 packs of each, so in total I have 200 grams of hair. I believe I got this hair from Amazon or a supplier found on Instagram. But I hear a really good brand from Amazon is Google Hair. It's fairly affordable compared to other high-end brands. I might not use it all, but I always make sure to have extra hair in case I need to add more. Even if I don't use it all, I can save it for the next application. I'm starting at the front first. I part my hair in a slight diagonal. I then use the special hair extension clip to keep all the baby hairs away. This is important so you don't get breakage. I pre-cut my extensions in half for a better movement in case I want to put my hair up. I then stick them pretty close to my scalp. Now I'm going to sandwich them together by placing the other extension underneath. Make sure to use a thin section so that there is barely any space between the two extensions. I'm using a flat iron on low heat because I don't have the tape and extensions clamper. This will ensure that they stick together. I'm going to repeat this step until I'm at the top of the hairline where I will be doing a full tape. I always make sure to have a rooted color at hand because it will give the best blend, especially at the top and bottom or side. The only time I wouldn't recommend it is if you have a solid blonde color. I put about 3 pre-cut tapes and 2 full tapes at the front. The amount of tape and sandwiches will vary based on how big your head is. I like to start with that amount on my hair, then I add more if I need to once I'm done to fill in any areas that have any holes. Make sure to brush your hair before moving to another section to see how the extensions are filling out. Now moving on to the back, make sure you straighten your hair well before putting on the extensions to get rid of any waves or kinks so that the hair is fully stretched out. Even if you are putting curly hair extensions, make sure your hair is straight. I'm repeating the same step as I did at the front, but this time I'll only use full tapes. Make sure to leave a decent amount of hair at the nape area so you don't see the extensions. I'm putting the light blonde tapes at the top and the rooted dark tape under for a seamless blend. I'm putting only 2 tapes at the nape of the head because I don't have much space and I want to be able to put my hair in a low ponytail without seeing the extensions. For some reason, I'm more tender-headed at the back, so I won't be putting the tape so close to my scalp. I'm doing about 5 to 6 rows of tapes at the back. At the middle, I will only be using the blonde tapes on the top and bottom. Then at the second last row, it will be mixed with the dark on top and light on the bottom. And for my last row, it will only be dark. Once I'm finished with the back, I'm going in at the front and adding a few more sandwiches to fill in whatever hole I have left. I used almost a full package of extensions, so I would say I only had like about 5 to 6 sandwiches left. Remember, it's natural for your hair to feel a bit heavier, but if you put too much hair and you are getting headaches, then take a few tapes out to avoid breakage. Now that I'm satisfied with the amount of hair, I'm going with my cutting scissors and cutting it just at the ends to even everything out. I then go in and slide cut the extensions using my natural hair as a guide to slightly layer the front so that it blends better. This is an important step if you have layers at the front. And we are all done. Look at these final results. I love the wispy ends because it gives more of a natural look. I also don't think I could handle adding any more hair. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any other hair videos you would like to see.